things. Hi.
So this is our friend Rithvik, and he has bought a what is this?
Egg.
This is a Ryan surprise egg. And do you want to show us?
It's my spaceship.
This is Ryan's world spaceship. Are there any buttons? Can you do anything with this?
No.
Oh.
It's gonna make sound, but there's a special school there.
Oh. What is that?
It's something a body compartment.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
But I don't know that. But I don't know what's that.
Well, what else is in there? What else is in here?
Here's Alpha Alexa.
Alpha Alexa. It's glasses Alpha Alexa.
Hey, is he play video games with Combo?
Yeah, Combo and Ryan. Do you have Gus?
No.
Okay.
But I have Combo with the ultra rare.
Oh yeah, that's the ultra rare.
He's the red one. He's the bad guy of the Titan.
That's Robo Combo. That's Robo Combo.
The Robocop is the bad guy, but that is a normal combo.
Oh, okay, that's cool. What else do you have?
Do you use a spaceship?
What else do you have? Oh, Robo Ryan?
No, Robo Ryan.
Yeah.
Robo Ryan. I love Robo Ryan.
Can you put that on there?
Yeah,
so
of course.
Robo Ryan can fit on the spaceship.
Hey, he's a hole in
Oh, let me see. Let me try. Oh, there. He's on. Woo, he's flying. Is there anything else? What is that?
One more thing.
Play-Doh?
No, a putty. Ryan,
What's
putty.
putty?
If you open it.
Let me.
Okay. It's cool. Still.
What color? Ooh, it's a what color?
Sky blue.
What?
Do you want to get it?
Oh, okay.
You need to wash your hand. You need to wash your hand with it.
But there's no sinks out here.
It's chemical.
Oh, wow. Okay.
This can open.
Okay, here.
Hey, come on. If you grab it and if you stretch it really slow, no.
It can stretch?
If you do really slow, gently. See?
Wow, that's so cool. Okay, let's just put this back because it has chemicals in it.
Okay. Give me the putty.
Yeah, here. Is there anything else? Nothing else?
No, nothing.
Okay. So that's a surprise, Ryan's World surprise egg.
The end.
The Well, that was great.
Okay. Spaceship.
Okay. There.
Well, that's my
That's a giant egg. What kind of chicken was that?
That's a chicken big egg.
Wow, that was great.
I need the back.
So, should I just end the video here?
Can you open this back?
It's already open.
No, I need to open really tight.
Oh, okay.
To put the egg in. And I can eat it. Hey, that's it.
Okay.
That's it.
So, that's it. And if you guys liked today's video, hit the subscribe and turn on the notification bell and give me a huge thumbs up.
Bye! See you tomorrow! Boys have to comment below.